Hello guys and welcome to today's cryptocurrency video. It's your guy here, the old coin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we will be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite coins. And without further ado, let us move over to the chart. And for some of you that has been watching the video, remember I was shouting and I was warning that we could see lower prices in the price for Jasmy and other assets. And some people hit the warning, some people refused, and as you can see, the market is dropping as predicted. I warned you, I tried to warn you, I tried to speak to you, I tried to tell you to sell out, that we probably could see a huge push to the downside. A lot of people said FUD, FUD, FUD. I was FUDDing, and I hope you sold out. And I will just be giving you the next price levels for what I see that's going to be happening to the chart. I remember I told you when we're going to dump, I told you we had a very, very huge rejection. As you can see, we had that huge rejection. And as you can see, since then, we have been pushing downwards. We are on the chart for Jasmy versus the USD Theta on the weekly time frame on this chart. And as you can see, our next huge main support level, we are expecting a bounce, is at the 0.0411 level. That is on the our weekly time frame. As you can see, even our money flow is moving hugely to the downside, so we probably should still be expecting more downside even for Jasmy down to the 0.00415 level. And I could show that to you if we push even down to the daily. As you can see, uh, even as you can see, down is where we have our next support level at my blue line. As you can see, we should be expecting our next support at my blue line at the 0.041 region, as you can see, right? And we are pushing to the downside even on the RSI. If we shift over to this chart, and this was one of the charts that made me understand that we actually were going to push very hugely to the downside, and I'll show you why. If we start from the weekly time frame, as you can see, or let's just start from the 3 days time frame. For the 3 days time frame, right, on our channel we have what we call our bullish channel and our bearish channel. And every single time we're above the channel, we're very bullish, and the moment price began to come below the channel, we were very bearish, especially on the daily. Now this is actually the 3 days time frame, and as you can see, the moment we're breaking our channel on the 3 days time frame, that signified that we were very bearish, and we probably should be expecting to see price at around this region. uh, as you can see, we expect to see price to see at the 0.388. So you can see all the charts having some sort of confluence that we should see price probably at the 0.0038 region down to the 0.41 region. As you can see, the same thing was happening here on the daily, and this was how I knew that we probably could see a very huge crash. And I began to warn everybody. Some people refused to heed the warning. Some people said it's fraud. I was FUDDing Jasmy, but as you can see, mean down from the warning, we have dropped about how many percent? Since then, we have dropped a huge 28% down from my warning. And as you can see, this was one of the charts that made me understand. As you can see, the moment we got above our channel, we were very bullish, and when we got below the channel, we were bearish. And as you can see, price has dropped. So we probably should be expecting our next support level at the 0.038 level. And all our charts were showing confluence that we could see a huge drop. Even if we bring up our indicators, as you can see, our indicators were steadily pushing down. Our RSI was pushing to the downside. As you can see, same thing with our stochastic, was still pushing to the downside, both on the daily and on the 3 days time frame. Another one that made us really understand was our buy sell, or the altcoin doctor's buy sell indicator. And this was an indicator I made to show you when price is bullish and when price is bearish. And as you can see, right, every single time price was bullish, you see our indicator turned bullish, and as you can see, a huge push to the downside. And every single time price was bearish, you can see our indicator flipped to the downside. And this was how we were able to know that price was bearish, because our indicators always, always never fails. They show us when price is bullish, and they show us when price is bearish. And the problem is that you don't want to be very, very sentimental when it comes to trading. You want to look at the data and all the data alone. And the data was showing us just one very single thing, that the price was bearish, right? And so whatever we do, we're just going to understand that we're seeing a huge bearish divergence on price. As you can see, we had a very huge push to the upside of about 200%. But we began to say that we probably should be expecting another huge push to the downside, even for Jasmy on the medium to short term range. And as you can see, until our indicator turns bullish, we are bearish, and we probably should be expecting the next jump or pump in price at about the 0.038 region, as you can see. So all our indicators, all our charts confirming the fact that we are very, 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 very bearish on price. And as you can see, same thing even with our oscillator. Our oscillator has been giving us a lot of bearish signals for a while. And that's why we were very, very bearish on price. And as you can see, price has been respecting, right, our analysis, because we have been very, 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 very correct on the channel. We are not wrong. We give you the analysis from it. No BS, no moonboy analysis. We give you the way it is, because we know and we are confident that our analyses are right. And we warned you at the top. We warned you at the top that we're having some sort of bearish divergence, and we probably could see some push to the downside. And as you can see, we have seen a push of about 29%. And so what we're saying is that we probably could still see some little bounce, but that's going to be a fake out, as we probably should be expecting more downside even for Jasmy on the medium to short term. Sorry to tell you this, but I've got to tell you, I've got to protect you for you to protect your gains, right? If you like the channel, if you like the analysis, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.